Faster. And sleep. Loose lymphatic eyes, loose lymphatic eyes. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper, very, very deeply and comfortably relax. And now, every time touch on your shoulder here and say the word sleep, you will instantly close your eyes and drop down to deep state of hypnosis. And every time I do that, you go 10 times deeper and faster than before. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Good morning. And take few deep breaths. Take some few breaths, faster and faster, and sleep. Yes, just let go, let go, let go. Just let go. Continue to go deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper, very, very deeply and comfortably relax. Your hand will stay here. This hand will also stay there. Wonderful. Continue to go deeper and deeper, very, very deeply and comfortably relax. And now, continue to go deeper and deeper, very, very deeply and comfortably relax. Now, at the count of 3, you will open your eyes and wake up. But you will wake up only neck up. That means your head and you will be open, you will be able to open your eyes and look around, but your body will be completely asleep. Deep state of relaxation. So you will wake up only neck up. At the count of 3, you will open your eyes, you will wake up neck up. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Can you move around? Wonderful, huh? Can you turn? No. Sleep again. Now at the count of 3, you will open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. And when you wake up, you will fully wake up, your whole body will wake up, and you will feel fantastic, you will feel wonderful. You will feel as if you have a nice nap or 2 hours of wonderful body massage in Thailand. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and come back. Give me your hand, get up, get up.